Hello Ken, it's Rob here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2016 Can-Am Spyder F3T with only 3,000 kilometers on it, and the price is 21,888 plus HST and licensing. Motorcycle is like new. It has very nice alloy rims, two-tone tires are like brand new. Both front are same and the rear, here we go, it looks like brand new. The spike comes with a removable backrest. It's a great thing for a passenger. It has an audio system. It's a semi-automatic, so you can press plus and minus buttons to switch the gears. Electronic parking control. It has the cruise control as well. It does come with a USB and auxiliary for the audio, and is fully certified and is ready to go. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 21.